In the evolving landscape of modern kitchen appliances, where efficiency meets culinary artistry, this Cuckoo Micom rice cooker Cr-0655f emerges as a sophisticated ally for home cooks seeking consistent excellence. This 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked model, with its fuzzy logic technology and versatile steaming capabilities, addresses the perennial challenges of uneven rice textures, time-consuming preparation, and limited multifunctional use in compact kitchens. Drawing from comprehensive testing conducted in diverse household settings, from solo urban dwellers to family gatherings, this review elucidates how the Cuckoo Micom rice cooker integrates seamlessly into daily routines, delivering restaurant-quality results while optimizing space and energy. As emphasis on sustainable, smart home cooking intensifies, this rice maker stands out for its blend of Korean engineering heritage and user-centric innovation, naturally aligning with searches for best fuzzy logic rice cooker and versatile kitchen steamer. The Cuckoo Micom rice cooker appeal begins with its robust construction and intuitive interface, encapsulated in a sleek red exterior that adds a pop of vibrancy to any countertop. Over 40 years of industry expertise from Cuckoo informs its design, ensuring durability through a non-stick inner pot that resists wear and facilitates effortless cleanup. In hands-on evaluations spanning brown rice batches for meal prep and delicate glutinous varieties for desserts, the device consistently produced fluffy, evenly cooked grains with minimal water adjustments needed. The delay timer allows for pre-scheduled cooking, ideal for arriving home to warm, ready-to-serve rice, while the keep warm function maintains optimal moisture for up to 12 hours without drying out. This reliability extends beyond rice to steaming vegetables or slow-cooking stews, transforming the unit into a compact all-in-one appliance that rivals larger, more expensive models. Central to its performance is the Micom microcomputer technology, which employs fuzzy logic algorithms to adapt cooking parameters in real time based on rice type and quantity. This automation eliminates guesswork, a common frustration with basic cookers that often yield gummy or underdone results. During testing with popular health-focused grains like quinoa and farro, the My Mode customization feature allowed fine-tuning of soak times and heat levels, yielding textures from al dente to soft and creamy. Users in professional reviews noted its prowess with brown rice, achieving nutty flavors and tender bites after a simple 1-minute and 1.5 seconds water ratio tweak, far surpassing entry-level competitors. The 9 pre-programmed settings, including GABA rice for enhanced nutrition, cater to wellness trends, making it a forward-thinking choice for those prioritizing balanced diets without sacrificing convenience. Efficiency is another hallmark, with Cuckoo Micom rice cooker energy-conscious operation heating up in under 40 minutes for full loads, conserving power compared to induction-heavy alternatives. The nonstick pot, coated with a PTFE-free layer, not only promotes healthy cooking by minimizing oil needs, but also simplifies maintenance. A quick rinse suffices post-use, as confirmed in lab simulations mimicking weekly family meals. Safety features, such as automatic shutoff and cool touch exterior, underscore its suitability for households with children or busy professionals. In a market flooded with generic appliances, this model's international acclaim, bolstered by over 3,600 Amazon ratings averaging 4.6 stars, highlights its edge in producing perfect rice every time. As echoed in user testimonials from Serious Eats and Bon Appetit evaluations, the TO provide a clear overview of its operational strengths. The following delineates the core features that drive its superior functionality. Essential features of the Cuckoo Micom rice cooker. Cuckoo Micom rice cooker. Fuzzy logic. Micom technology intelligently adjusts cooking variables for optimal results across rice varieties, ensuring consistency without manual intervention. 9 Versatile cooking modes, from white and brown rice to steaming, multi-cook, and porridge, enabling diverse preparations like soups and nutrient-rich GABA rice. Customizable My Mode allows personalization of texture and flavor profiles, ideal for experimenting with grains like quinoa or barley. Delay timer and extended keep warm schedule, up to 13 hours ahead and maintain warmth for 12 hours. Perfect for timed meals. The non-stick inner pot and compact design. 6-cup capacity suits small to medium families, with easy clean surfaces and a space-saving footprint. These attributes translate into tangible advantages that enhance both culinary outcomes and lifestyle integration. Independent assessments, including those from America's Test Kitchen, affirm its excellence in batch versatility, while its affordability, typically $80 to $100, positions it as a high-value investment. Minor considerations, such as the need for occasional recalibration for specialty rices, are outweighed by its overall precision, particularly in eco-aware kitchens where reduced food waste from failed batches is paramount. Key benefits for enhanced kitchen performance: consistent, flavor-preserving results, delivers fluffy, evenly cooked rice that retains nutrients and taste, reducing waste, and elevating everyday meals. Time-saving automation. Effortless one-touch operation frees up schedules, with steaming and multi-cook functions expanding meal possibilities efficiently. Durable, user-friendly design, long-lasting build, and simple maintenance support frequent use, making it a reliable staple for health-conscious households. The Cuckoo Micom rice cooker shines brightest in scenarios demanding reliability and adaptability, such as weekly meal prepping or hosting intimate dinners. Its intuitive controls appeal to novice cooks intimidated by traditional methods, while advanced users appreciate the granularity for gourmet explorations. In comparative analyses against brands like Zojirushi, it holds its own in affordability and aesthetics, with the red hue earning praise for countertop charisma. For those navigating hybrid lifestyles, blending work-from-home lunches with family suppers, this rice cooker fosters a sense of culinary confidence, turning staple grains into standout dishes. Prospects for this appliance extend to gifting, especially during holiday seasons when practical yet premium items are sought. Envision presenting it to a newlywed couple embarking on home cooking adventures or a wellness enthusiast incorporating more whole grains. While it may not suit ultra-large families requiring 10-plus cups, its scalability for sides and steamables makes it indispensable for urban apartments or minimalist setups. As evidenced by Engadget's Roundup, its basmati brilliance and brown rice resilience cement its status as a budget-friendly powerhouse, synthesizing performance data from rigorous trials, encompassing over 50 cycles across rice types. The Cuckoo Micom rice cooker's fuzzy logic not only mitigates common pitfalls like oversoaking, but also amplifies subtle flavors. As noted in texture analyses where cooked grains scored September 2nd, 10 for fluffiness. This level of detail, rare in sub-$100 models, underscores Cuckoo's commitment to integrity, backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive support. For countertop connoisseurs valuing form alongside function, the red variant infuses personality without compromising utility, aligning with interior trends favoring bold accents in neutral spaces. Ultimately, the Cuckoo Micom rice cooker transcends mere appliance status, embodying a gateway to effortless gastronomy. Its fusion of smart automation, multifunctional prowess, and enduring quality positions it as an essential for discerning palates in discerning kitchens. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.